Okay, let's unboxing this one. See what's inside. Okay. Here's a card. Here is a manual. The model Kemei KM1102. Okay, here is little, I believe so, travel bag. One extra foil. Is a USB cable and a little bit brush for killing. And here is a product. Looks good to me, like goldish. So, let me take it off. Cap here, some stuff here. Look sharp for make a line and peel it up. This foil is good. Quality is not bad, as I paid for $20-something for this one. So let's try.